Get over here and give me your wrists.
Okay.
Now, I have a plan.
Oh! I'm a lady!
Give me your wrist!
Animal!
Stop fighting me!
Yeah, I'll fight it. You like that? You like that? How about that? You like getting girls,
No.
Sandy? That's in the tits, Sandy.
Stay down!
You like-
Stay down! Oh, shit!